guys, get ready here in about 30 seconds. I'll start it up and let it go. Guys ready?
No.
Well, wrong. All right, she's not ready. Okay.
Oh, this is so out of focus.
Then click on it.
Yeah, you guys, you're welcome to, move up. Just like paparazzi.
Go, Barry, go.
All right, here we go. You could, and then you could turn the sound off.
Yeah, probably better.
Double crested.
Camera.
High bill.
Grebe.
Mallard. Turkey vulture. Red tail hawk. It's gonna be a long video. Broadwing hawk. Kestrel. Grass. Pheasant. Oh yeah, it's not white. Turkey. Coot.
Woodcock.
Snipe.
Ringo gold. There we go.
Barry, my arms are getting tired. Turn. Green hair.
Blue hair.
Blue hair. Dark pin. Dark pin. Screech owl. Affiliated.
Redheaded. It's just like
Barn
swallow.
Yeah.
Chicky sweat.
Or you can just like make space on your phone. If you back it up to the iPhone, that would be like 3 days. Yeah. Oh yeah, it does. But it's only on the computer. You can turn the notifications on.
Brown creeper.
Dude, an extra 5 gigs and soon life. Yeah, it does, because it takes it from your phone. It doesn't take up the storage.
But like the things I want to actually down there.
Carolina Run.
But it's still on your phone.
Well, we go.
Oh,
It's on your phone, but it doesn't take up space. We're on like 5 minutes. We're on like halfway in.
Robin.
Oh, wax wing. Bluebird.
European soda. White eyed area. If I take my picture of it. I don't know.
What?
It's less if you take the video and then
Yeah, no, videos are a lot larger space than pictures. Yeah, if you don't have space in your phone, it'll
yeah.
fill it up. Megan, you want me to email it to you? What?
Would it be too long to file it?
Nah.
Yeah, file would be way too big. I've tried.
No, you can.
Files are like-
Oh, that's right. No, because it'll just ask you
Dropbox.
if you want
Yeah.
to.
It's not a Dropbox or media
That's the
player.
Oreo.
It's a lot of work.
Dropbox.
I have no idea what a Dropbox is, in all honesty.
Or upload it to YouTube and
It's
upload
kind of
it.
like.
It's online storage.
Drive, but it's like,
Okay.
I don't know.
it's like that. That's good, maybe. You're like, I don't know.
Does anybody know what number we're on right now? Like, are we close to getting through this?
Albert.
We're on like 70. Goldfinch.
Mr. Berry, why don't you put this, like,
Road number 79.
on this website?
Because this is like 30 years old. Barry, you're not gonna get flagged for this. You understand that, right? These people don't care about some 30-year-old virgin slides. Like if people cared about this stuff, I would owe like $4 million in illegal music downloading fees. They don't care. No. I'm telling you right now, they're not gonna be like. They're not gonna get some like link that's sent to them because you posted this. This wasn't even like the internet wasn't even invented when this came out. I don't think it's gonna bother them. And they don't ever go through and like flag one specific person. They do it when there's like an enormous amount of like illegal things. They do it. They'll pick one out of like 100 million people and then get that one guy and make an example. Oh, what are you gonna listen to this? Shut up.
Also, we're all recording, which is.
It's the same thing. This is pirating.
Oh.
And Barry, are you kidding me? You're telling us to pirate the video, which is like you also put it on your computer. I don't even know if that's legal.
Comparison.
Yeah, so you're using them on the internet.
Comparison. Bald eagle.
And how many of us are actually gonna save these for future?
It's been, oh, we are so close to the end. RL 2.0.
God, that was like.
Woodpecker, yeah, this is like a 10-minute video.
Okay, that's it.
That's it, stop.